A lot of you have been asking me about balayage, so today I've created another video using a beautiful model named Camilla. She's a blogger here in Brooklyn, and I'm gonna create beautiful balayage for her, keeping her hair looking a little darker, like a root shadow, nice, natural, beautiful balayage. All of the products are gonna be below, so make sure you check those out. And if you love this video, please like, and also don't forget to subscribe. So here we have beautiful Camilla, and as you can see, she's really blonde already, but not at the root area. It's grown out, and I definitely want to keep that root shadow as she's asked for that, and it does look very modern, but we need to put some beautiful light pieces in through there. So I take a large section in the back, and I'm going to use my planchette, which is the balayage board, and I'm also using a very small brush, and I'm painting on Multi-Techniques powder. That's being used by L'Oreal Professionnel with a 30 volume. And how I'm painting it is I'm holding the hair with tight tension, and then I'm just sweeping it onto the top surface of the hair, and on the bottom ends of the hair, I'm saturating it through. So repeating on the next section as well, you'll see me do it again. So this time I'm actually creating 2 points. And as I'm painting it on, I'm really just putting it on the surface in this area. And as I'm pulling it through, when I put the planchette in underneath right now, I am saturating the ends as well. That's gonna give it a little bit more pop. Now watch the sectioning. I did a zigzag section. And the reason why I do that is because then you can get the points exactly where you want to place your beautiful light pieces. And I really need to do a lot of pieces in here because she's quite blonde on the end, and I really want to just keep that look of the depth, but I really want to add a lot more brighter pieces in there. She wears her hair in a lot of braided styles. She wears it up in buns and top knots, and right now it looks two-toned, so we gotta get rid of that. So repeating on the next side, you can see I'm taking quite large sections and painting 2 points. And I'm gonna continue painting 2 points all the way up through this back section. And I'm working in quite large sections. I'm already at the middle of her head. She does have quite thick hair, so it will take a little bit to do this application. So moving up to the next section, you can see that it's zigzagged again. And as I'm working in this section, once again, I am just saturating the ends and just slightly surface painting on the regrowth area to the mid-lengths, and taking large sections so that I can really get a lot of bright pieces happening, because you can see it's quite dark. It's probably dark brown, and then she has like a level 8, 9 blonde on the ends. So we want to really balance those tones out and give it a nice transition. My 3 tips for successful balayage would definitely be practice, practice, practice. You want to be able to practice all the time, and you want to go to someone that is doing this a lot to get the best experience. And number 2 would definitely be using the right amount of product, using the right product and the right amount of product. If you're not putting enough of your lightener on and saturating those ends in that right area, you could get spots, you could have unevenness, it could not be bright enough. So if any of those things have ever happened to you, then definitely that's going to be a challenge. And the third thing would be the angle that you're holding your hair, when you're holding the hair, and the tension that you have. Those are my 3 things that are very key to doing successful balayage. Now here I am on the side. I've angled this section, and I'm painting a little bit finer, smaller pieces, but a lot more of them, making sure that I get all those tiny pieces when Camilla wants to wear her hair away from her face, so that they're bright and she really gets that nice pop around the face.
I'm moving them away from the face as well. We never want to let lightener just kind of fall close to the skin or fall over an eyebrow. And again, I'm not using perforated plastic at this time. I feel confident and comfortable not to use it for this particular technique, but you could also use the perforated plastic, but you'd still want to make sure all of that is just away from the face so the client is more comfortable. The cool thing about balayage is that you're really curating a hair color that is signature for your customer, for your client. You are giving them a one-of-a-kind hair color that they really can't get anywhere else. It can't really be duplicated. You're doing something that is just, made with love from you. So when you're pricing these things, make sure that you take into account of the time that it's taking you and the fact that this is a real signature service that you're doing for them. And it's more advanced as well. And they expect that. They see all the celebrities wearing it and models wearing it, and it's so on trend right now. Notice how little product I have on my planchette. Keeping your tools really clean while you're working is also very key. I know that's taken me some practice, and still I could probably even use more practice, but keeping your tools clean is very important. So here's the finished look. I have also done a toner on her hair. I glossed her hair. I'll let you know in the comments below what that was. And we did some beautiful big curls using my large barrel T3 iron that I love. And now I'm just kind of moving her hair around. It's a gorgeous set. I let them cool off with the pin curls still left in so that it just holds the curl a little bit longer. Yes, Camilla, she's so happy, and so am I. It's gorgeous. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you loved what you saw, please support by subscribing and leaving some questions or comments in the comment section below. My name is Jennifer MacDougall. I am a New York celebrity hairstylist and educator. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.